What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I just got a mail call from Alpha Outpost. This is the January 2020 box called the Cup of Joe. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, so I cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside because you know I like to experience it with you. So let's take a look here. Pop it open. All right, and we've got the Cup of Joe informational card here. Talks about how to use your coffee gear. Hey, it's Cup of Joe. You know it's got to be about coffee. So we'll set that aside. And got a little explosive Cup of Joe patch. This guy is a folding coffee dripper. I'll show you that. These are actually pretty neat. Pop that guy out. So this is nice and collapsible for camping, but pop it open like that, put your filter in it, and you drip your coffee right through that. So it's a folding coffee drip setup. All right. Let's see what else we got. Got some coffee, some hoo-ah coffee from Gun Barrel Coffee. We've got, what is this here? A little igniter. Oh, so that's going to go with the little Primus camp stove here. So this is a portable camp stove. I actually have one of these. They are awesome. You throw a little camp pot on them, make your morning coffee, tea, what have you. Got your little igniter to start it up and make it easy. And we got an Alpha Outpost box here, a tumbler cup. Let's take a look. Get that guy open. There we go. Got the Cup of Joe logo on it there. Nice little insulated tumbler cup. So this will keep your coffee hot. It'll even keep cool stuff cold if you need it to. And then finally, we've got a camping kettle. Of course, you gotta heat up the water for your coffee. Let's take a look. It's in a nice little pouch. It's very lightweight. It's an aluminum kettle, I believe. Alpha Outpost logo on it. Water goes in there, pours out the spout. There you go, little camping kettle. So we've got the kettle, the tumbler, camp stove, igniter, some Gun Barrel coffee, portable coffee dripper, the patch, and the information card. How to use your coffee gear. Got the pack list here. So that's it. That is the Cup of Joe box from Alpha Outpost. Some really useful stuff for you coffee drinkers, and or tea or hot water, whatever you need to make a kettle full of water for. But there it is, the Cup of Joe box. Hey, do me a favor, hit that like and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to put some links down below so you can get to Alpha Outpost and get your own gear. But that's it for now. For Alpha Outpost and Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.